Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. What I want to show you in this module is how you can create a data validation list that is dynamic, i.e. it will grow or shrink when you change the list. So on the screen I have the formula that I'm going to use. Before I do that though, I need to just add some items. So I'll just add car, tax, gas. So that's my list. And then I'm just going to click in this cell and color it in so you can see where I am. In there, I want to use the validity feature, which is on the data tab over on the right there. What you need to select is cell range, and then in the source area, you need to type this formula. So the offset function basically allows you to offset a number of rows or columns from a start point. So the example there says A1, and it's not actually doing any offsetting, 0, 0. The count A function basically counts how many items there are in the list. And that is the height part of the offset function. Let me just type it in there. So you're going equals offset, open the bracket. Now I need to do dollar signs on A1. So it's going to be $A $1 in there, comma. So we're starting in cell A1. Number of rows, none. Number of columns, none. Height, comma. Height is where the count A function comes in. Count A. And I'm counting the whole of column A, anything that goes in column A. Still need a dollar sign on the A. Both A's, colon, dollar sign A. Then I need to close the count A bracket. And I need to close the offset bracket. If I click OK to that, I'll get a drop-down list which shows me those three items. But if I add anything underneath that, for example, if I add bills, that should pick it up. And it does. Just add something else. Just go AA in there. That picks it up. So this function, offset with count A, will allow you to create a dynamic validation list. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video. Nice and short, but fairly easy, and a common thing that people ask about when they're doing validity lists. How do I get it to grow without resetting it all the time? That's the formula to use. So hopefully this little video is of use. Thank you for your time. I'll catch you on the next one.